Buying a fixer-upper can be a fantastic way to get into a desirable neighborhood for a much lower price than a renovated home. You have the unique opportunity to customize every finish and layout detail to perfectly match your personal style and needs. However, you must be prepared for the reality that renovations almost always take longer and cost more than your initial estimates. It is critical to distinguish between cosmetic fixes like paint and carpet versus major structural issues like foundation or roof repairs. If you are not a DIY expert, you will need to factor in the high cost of professional contractors, which can quickly eat up your potential equity. You should also consider where you will live during the construction phase, because living in a massive renovation zone can be extremely stressful. A renovation loan like the FHA 203K can allow you to roll the cost of repairs directly into your mortgage for easier financing. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our fixer-upper cost estimator and see if that project house is actually a good investment.